Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. I want to talk about a particular issue. There was this pastor who was saying that the Igbos borrowed beads from the Benin and that they borrowed red cap from Benin too. Now, and that man he presented himself as a prophet, okay, as a man of God. But he exhibited a lot of ignorance, because I wanted to make a correction to what he said. This is because ordinarily I wouldn't have paid much attention to it, but I detest misinformation. And the person, this prophet, is also an Igbo person. Okay? So, but being an Igbo person doesn't mean that he cannot also get it wrong about his own history. The beads that he was talking about, the excavation of beads that was done in Igbo Ukwu. Igbo Ukwu is in Anambra State. The excavation that was done there showed beads that were intact. Nature could not dissolve them. Glass beads that was done by the ancient Igbo. And the carbon dating of that glass bead and other beads that was found in Igbo Ukwu, they were dated back to 19th century CE. In other words, these things are older than anything you can find in Benin. The Igbo Ukwu artifacts remains the oldest, the most ancient of anything that have been ever excavated in Nigeria. Just go and look at the bronze casting and everything from Igbo Ukwu. The only comparable material or artifact of that level can only be compared to what you can get in ancient Egypt. And the beads you found in Igbo Ukwu, you can only find similar things in ancient Egypt. So it is therefore preposterous, as far as I can see, for that prophet to say that Igbos borrowed beads. Beads had been part of the Igbo culture, right from the ancient. And the excavation, which anybody can go and read it up. The excavation from Igbo Ukwu, including the beads, are quite old, that even the Europeans marveled at it. Somebody was talking about that the Benin's were trading with the Portuguese. Even the Portuguese, they don't have that kind of thing in their area. They were still living in the medieval period, when they carved those beads, those ornaments, and what have you. So it's just I just wanted to do this short video just to correct that prophet, because he was misleading the people. That's misinformation, as far as I can see it. It's not right. And he was also talking about that the Igbos also borrowed. He said Igbos borrowed red cap from Benin. And you ask yourself, when did the Beninese start wearing red caps? They hardly do. So where did he get this information from? What is his source? And he was saying it, talking to some young people and stuff. without providing sources. That's what we have today. People who don't do their homework before they go out to the public to educate. Because first of all, you must educate yourself before you can educate others. You must have the information, assimilate it and know what it is, so that you can be able to interpret it for others. But this man was just throwing, I don't know what he wanted to achieve. He said that Igbos are too proud, so he wanted to reduce them to the level that they will not be proud of their culture. That was, he said they are too proud. He said even this Ada we are talking about, they borrow it from Ada from where? Somebody is a gala or whatever. Come on. A gala, do they call their first daughter Ada? But he just, what was he looking for? But what I understand from the whole thing is that he wanted to bring the Igbo spirit down. That's basically what it means. Because he said they are too proud. Did an Igbo person being proud of his race, did he stop another person from being proud of his own race? He said Igbos are claiming that they're always number one. Nothing stops somebody from who is Hausa, who is Steve, who is anything to say that we are number one. Because this is a free world. If you can provide evidence, proof why you are number one, that is for those who care about even researching. Anybody can say that he's number one. Okay? It's just like somebody say, I'm black and proud. I can also be white and proud. Because you say you are black and proud, cannot stop me from being white and proud too. But to say that Igbos are too proud, therefore you want to bring them down. You want to bring them down. Say most of the things they are using, they borrowed. But the examples he gave was a total what do I describe it? It's something that is not in sync with what he was talking about. Because if you want to talk about what Igbos borrowed, let it be authentic. Let it be the truth. So that people can go and verify and applaud you for your research. But not for you to, because you are a prophet, you use that followership you have to spread misinformation about the Igbos. All because you feel that they are too proud. So you want to bring them down by saying, look, you don't even have a culture of your own. You keep borrowing from everywhere, which is not true. But anyway, culture itself is dynamic. Everyone had one or two things they get from each other through the process of interaction. But at the end of the day, the core culture of the Hausa is the core culture of the Hausa. The core culture of the Igbo is the core culture of the Igbo. The core culture of the Yoruba is the core culture of Yoruba. Anywhere you see it, you will know, yes, this is Yoruba culture. This is Hausa culture. This is Igbo culture. But there are things they have shared in common through interaction, because culture is dynamic. Culture is not static. It keeps improving. That is why even in the English language, so many words in English language were borrowed from French, from Latin, from so many. And even right now, English words are still being, go and check the Oxford Dictionary. Every year they add new words that are emanating as a result of changes in technology, changes in interaction, as United Kingdom interact with the rest of the world. So nobody is saying that the culture is not dynamic. But to go and talk about a fundamental issue like beads, like red cap, and like Ada that you don't know nothing about, or you are not well informed about it, that's where you make the mistake. Okay. If he had talked about something that has to do with his religion, I wouldn't have given a damn about it. But it was because he brought a whole race and tried to paint the whole race, bring it down, and uplift another. Because since he did that, I understand that people from Benin civilization have been, raising shoulders that yes, we told you so. We told you so. You people copied from us. And they said that the man has apologized. And they have not come across his apology. But even if I had apologized, there's a need to correct his misinformation. Ordinarily, I wouldn't have bothered about this, but I'm somebody who also I've done a lot of research on the Igbo. One of my best-selling books is The Igbo Phenomenon, which is available on Amazon. Anybody can pick it up. You can order for it from anywhere in the world. It's a book that dealt a lot about the Igbo phenomenon, the secrets of the enduring wealth of a people. It's a book that when you get it, you will not put it down until you have finished the whole thing. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel, I hit the notification bell. Anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.